Yes, my people, you name it, I do it for you. Okay, so this is all about the fish fry. See, tilapia, nice tilapia. Okay, yeah, that's a tilapia fish fry. Okay, if you name the fish, I get it done. This one over here, bangameri. Okay, I ripped it open. Okay, this one is a nice bangameri. Over here, look at this. Look at that, see? Bangameri. Okay, over here is mackerel fish. Yeah, you name it, I fry it for you. It's the fish Friday. So mackerel, bangameri, tilapia, and let me go to the good old red snapper underneath this. This one here is a good old red snapper. Let me get inside of it. Yeah, the good old red snapper. Yeah. This one over here now is red snapper. So it's a fish fry. You can order your red snapper, whatever you like. You can order your tilapia, you can order your mackerel, and you can order your bangameri. Adam Convenience Store, 15353 Stony Plain Road. Yeah, and that's how we do it. We wash with our lime and season. We make our pot. See, that's the kind of stove we use. That's the olden days stove with a propane gas. See my propane gas connected to my stove. Pot of oil. That's the way we're doing it this year. This is the outcome of it. That's the way it is. You name it and we get it done. Just like that. Spicy and non-spicy. Fried dry and not dry. Okay? Well done and mild. Whatever way you like it, it's all over here. Okay? Contact Adam Convenience Store. Sally will be here to collect your money 24 hours a day and 44 hours a night. Okay? Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Sally, you want to say hi to the video? Yeah.
I'm okay.
You're okay? Sally says she's okay because she clean every day. Okay. Welcome. Thank you. See you. Like, share, and subscribe. I said like, share, and subscribe. Come and enjoy all your fish. Thank you. Monday to Saturday. Anytime you can call. Okay? Thank you. Please, the phone number. Phone number is 780-264-9902. That's 780-264-9902. Fry fish. It's a fish fry and that's the start of it. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.